Viewers, good morning. This is the Jeep Liberty 3.7 liter V6 engine. The vehicle was brought with misfiring and multiple cylinder misfire, and it's not working properly well. So I intend to fix that today. When I got here, I discovered that some components were bad. Like I saw the coils. Is that okay? Sorry. Okay. Don't tell me that. I discovered this. This is one of the problems. Is ignition coil. I saw it apart like this. So I brought another one. You can see to replace it. But before then, and I got out the spark plugs to see that the spark plugs too are not firing properly. So I intend to change them with some recycled spark plugs that is in the vehicle's pigeonhole. So I want to start that now. I want to see how to return this car back to its normal working condition. So stick around as I move on with the process. I'm fixing one of the spark plugs, the one I just replaced. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's done. Now, the spark, I'm putting back the ignition coil. Yeah, that's been done. So I want you to bring out the other spark plug, the other coils, and then bring out the spark plugs to see how good they are running. Alright, you cannot oh, this plug is not tight though. Pause it.